What is decorator? Suppose you have one function and without changing its source code, if you want to enhance its functionality or modify that function, then in that case we will use decorator. Suppose I have one add function. It's take two argument and return a result as a summation. If you run this function, then we will get result as summation. But without changing its source code, if I want result as a multiplication, then in that case what will we can do, we can add one decorator. Suppose I am adding multiply as a decorator. So we have to define this multiply. So here I have defined this multiply decorator function. It will take existing function as an argument and return one enhance function. So now if I run this add function, then instead of returning its summation, it will return a result as a multiplication. See, that's it. This is decorator.